Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Cash App to Apple Pay. Start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. Once you are inside the app, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You will see an icon that represents your Cash Card. It usually looks like a small card image. Tap on that icon to open your Cash Card details. After opening your Cash Card screen, take a moment to look through the options available. Scroll down slowly until you find the option that says Add to Apple Pay. When you see it, tap on it once. A new menu will appear on your screen. In this menu, you will again see an option labeled Add to Apple Pay. Tap on it to continue. This will take you to the Apple Pay setup process. Now follow the instructions shown on your screen. Tap the Next button when prompted. You will be asked to review the terms and conditions. Read through them carefully, then tap Agree to accept them. Your iPhone will now process the request and link your Cash Card to Apple Pay. This may take a few seconds. Once it is complete, you will receive a confirmation on your screen. Thanks for watching.